Today we are going to start with a report. What is a report first of all? Report is printed out things which we mostly employees demand, mostly people demand. I'm going to give you example of report. While you go to the examination department over there, you want a DNC or no? DNC, detail mark sheet. Okay, transcript, that is a report. You want attendance sheet, that is a report. You want to submit a fees, you want to accept receipt, that is a report. You take a ID card, so that is a report. Okay, so all these those mostly which we will print. So by the help of report, we will generate that. And that is coming from where? From a database. Maybe there is a table, maybe there is a query, or maybe that will be a form. That data is coming from these three things. So first of all, we are going to create a report of employees table. For employee table, check it out. What is inside it? Open it. Okay, this is the data. For information is there. I want to create a report of that. Delete the last department, DEP. I don't need that. Okay, what I'm going to do, go over to the design of that, and here last column, and delete this one. Delete. Yes, done. Okay, Control W, save changes, done. Okay, if I'm going to create a report, so there are two easiest way to create a report. Easiest way: click on the table, click on the form, and create a report by wizard or by design. I'm going to click on that and report by design. So if you're going to see, automatically it will generate a report which you want. Come in, please. Yes. Here. Look over here. Again, I'm going to do that. If you're going to click on a table, go over to the create and create a report. So here, report is, click on that, and it is going to be create a report for that. So that is data which is inside it. Data which is inside it. Okay, I'm going to decrease the view size because it's a quite big. Here, go over to the design. Again, go to the design. Employees design. How I'm going to go to the design? Here, design view. Yeah, employees. Okay, here this is page header, detail, page footer, report footer. Simple. Right now this is showing bigger, so what I'm going to do, decrease its size. Click outside. Here, decrease its size. How? By the help of this one. Okay, I'm going to increase it, and then one by one I'm going to decrease, or all if you're going to decrease. Done. Here again, report area, decrease. I need after one record I need a line. Okay, so how I'm going to do that? Again, come to the view. Okay, I want a line. So what I'm going to do, go over design again and go over to the tools. Come in, please. Right now, the line I have selected, drag the line like, come in please. Up to end drag it and check it out right now. Put it slightly down and verify that it is looking nice or not. How? Go over view that. So I have not make a line straight. So here it is not straight showing. Okay, so you can see that a line is coming after every record or not. Yes, come in please. One thing more, if you're going to see in a report, pictures are also showing or not. Sign, pictures, CV, the full report is showing like that. Okay, if I'm going to go over to the design, I need some more data. Go to design. Here you need at the down, prepared by, designed by, these things also work over there. So the report header, report footer. So in a report footer, I'm going to write here label. by Jamal Khan. Okay, click outside, again view it. So at the end, if you're going to see, this is showing or not? In a report header, I need Kardan employees. Header Kardan employees. Go over to design and not simple employees. Again, make it a view. So you can see that Kardan employees here. Field name underscore is coming. You can remove that. I need that this data will be aligned to the right side. Data will be aligned to the right side. So automatically it's right now aligned to the right side. If you want to the left, select this one. Go over to the property sheet. Decimal place alignment will be text align journal. I'm going to align to the left side. Here align to the left side. Right now preview it. Again view it. So here you can see that this is coming here, and this should be moved to the another side. Again go to the design and no, I want to select separately. Okay, understand this thing? So furthermore, if I want a report, this is one. In this report, all the implied, just like attendance, just like student attendance is showing. Here, all the implies are showing. If I want separately one report, या report जोड़ने को नाम ओनमिचे रकम report implies card जोड़ने को नाम ची जोड़ने को नाम implies card हो उचे रकम जोड़ने शा here save it. Okay, you want to save it. I'm going to save by employees info underscore. Done. One report, another I'm going to create. Go over to the create report by design. Okay, no, by design you're going to do, yeah. What is going to be on a card? Size of a card. First of all, generate the size of the card. This card is quite big, so decrease the size. Okay, up to some extent decrease the size. What do you need on this? Close that. What do you need on this? Here, employees name or these things. Here, on a card, I need go over to the add existing field. Bakudam table जोड़ में शा. Data bakudam table में गिरा. Employees table में गिरा, इन्हें में गिरा. Student card जोड़ में गिरा, employee card. Employee card, or the because here you have both tables, student info and along with that. Okay, just like I'm going to create first of all employee card. So here employees table is there. What I need inside it? Employee ID. Okay, so you need employee ID. So drag and drop it here. Employee ID. Bother enemy. Employee name. Double click but again you are going to move that. Phone number, no need of that. Email address, no need of that. Department says, yeah, select, drag and drop. Next one is date of birth, no, date of joining. So here, date of joining, NIC number, no, salary, no, picture. Last one is a picture I need. Okay, if signature is there, also I need signature inza. And here, okay, so these parts has been added. What I'm going to do, just need this area, drag it from here and put it here. Signature, picture, increase its size slightly and drag this one here. Okay. Furthermore, if I'm going to just preview, okay, if you need a header, in a header I need Kardan Institute of Higher Education for every student. Okay, here it is going to be written student card. Bola chinish tamesha. Here, yeah, label jod mein karam label. This one is a label, and first of all, and enter it. Okay, down I'm going to write student card. So one label or another label if you want to create, also possible. Slightly make it font size bigger, 11 is 16. Check it out, it's full working or not. Yes. And after that I'm going to create one thing more, student card. Okay, student card. So where you need that, go over, create one more label, design one more label for a, yeah, student card, and align to the center also possible, or if you're not going to align to the center, decrease its size and put at the center. Make this text bold also. Yeah, and this data also slightly above. Nothing more. Go over, preview it. Next one is preview that. How you're going to preview that? Go over to the report view. So right now you can see that here this is showing like this. Here if you're going to go over one by one record, also it's going to be shown. So report Yag nafar, dom nafar, same nafar, choram nafar, uchikadar nafar sonami card print maker. Kulish card print maker. Okay? Yes. Okay. If you don't have, I'm going to use a technique and I'm going to create that. I'm going to create that date of expiry. Design. Okay. And I'm going to go over date of joining and date of expiry. Go over to create one text box. Okay. And is equal to date of joining. Okay. Date of joining underscore is there or not? I think so. Underscore field name is there or not? I'm going to check that. Date of joining not there. Date of joining, put in a brackets, and I want to check that it's working or not. Here, put in a bracket, and yeah, date of joining, preview it, and I'm going to do technique with that. Date of joining, yes. Design again, plus yeah, preview it. How much days has been added? So same. Understand? Yak sol chand roz sonami jamko. So date of expiry and write it. Spak panzos ma pinjas pedali say. Here I'm going to go over to the design again. Go to the design again. What I'm going to do here, date of expiry, and 365 days, 65 days, and just click outside and again preview the card. So you can see that here on same date which you have done, on the next date it is going to be expired. Har kaat ki rashi no. Yeah, just I'm going to slightly move it out. Here, if you want that the Cardano Institute will coming on every card, so put this in this area. Okay, put this on this area. So, this one and this one, control X cut. Okay, and slightly make it above so that Control V paste, Control X cut, Control V paste, and I'm going to slightly make it above, put it down. Here, all these should be moved down, card, go over to preview. I need a border for every card. What is that? Here, okay, text box was bigger. Design and slightly decrease this one. Go over again, design here. Check it out, working or not. Okay, and I need a border or design these things. Go over to the design again, border also, or these things. So go over, create one this thing, and draw that here. Okay, what are you going to do with that? Send to back. Good. So I'm going to create it again because it was slightly at the corner. And send to back. Right click on that. Here, order, alignment, align, size, position. Here, send back. Okay, right now preview it and just check it out. Clear? So the card has been designed. But one thing is that for all employees, card has been created. I want to create for one employee. Specific. Okay? I want to create for one employee. Transcript No, you go to the reception and you just give your registration number. Okay, so right now I want to create for one. So our query, bulk query report is going to be generated. First of all, query, on a basis of query, report is going to be generated. Look over here. Here, go to the design again, view and design view. So how I'm going to create that report? So first of all, I go over to I'm going to save that. Control W, all students or all employees. CARD, all employees card. CARD, all employees card. Okay, done. Right now, next one is what I'm going to do here. या query जोड़ में करम query चेकम मा उनजा या और मी मैसेज दिशोन में तो मैसेज मा registration number या ID इंटर में करम और मी तनहा या नंबर रिकॉर्ड दिशोन कुल इस कॉर्नर था right. What I'm going to do here, any queries there? No query generated. Just to here, go over to the employees table, right click design, and here what we are going to do, go over, click on table employees, go over to the create and query by design. Query is there or not? Query by design. Here, which table we need? Employees added, close, kudam field ma bakhatre card जोड़ में करम सही bakhatre card या ID, full name and department here diga date of joining, last qualification, salary, contract type. Okay, contract type also I need, and picture. Okay, so this field I need. So done. Right now close this one. Bajai employee ID registration number जोड़नी REG registration number कि मैं colon जोड़ने करूँ यानी why because I don't want to show in my organization 15 employees are not there, more employees are there. Okay, और नीचे रकम जोड़ने से here just write REG column name चाहिए बोशा REG. Okay, go over to the zoomer. I am going to arrange by a zoomer and fonts and 16 bold. Okay, what I am going to write REG double colon says here implies ID Jama here 701 10 15 000 says so ka ID by enemy add में शो चिजोल में शो 701 10 15 001. Okay, so click on OK. Done. So this is coming here. Right now, Control W save changes. Banamichi here. No, employees underscore card query. Okay, here diga enemy registration number persona में गना registration number persona में गना direct police station बहादुर पुलिस नफर निशान में था. Here go over to that implies बहादुर पुलिस निशान में था ना में था. I want that it will show. It will ask from you. So go over, right click on that design view and here V in a criteria. Machin is the megana. What I am going to write? Brackets here. Enter registration number. Enter registration number. What? Light? No. Here number is there, no need of light. We are not using text. This is a what? This is a number. So for number you are not going to use light. Okay, enter registration number, Control W, save changes, done. And again open that. Okay, I am going to enter registration 701 10 15 002 002. याग नफर निशान में था ना में था. Says all a mob by enemy query card जोड़ने का. By enemy query card जोड़ने का. Okay. How? Query kudamas implies card query. So just simple click on that. Go over create Inja Yaga's report enemy. Says enemy click ko enter registration number 701 10 15 002. Card जोड़शुत हाँ और इमा design में करूँ. Okay, enemy का design में करूँ या new जोड़ में करूँ. Okay, I am going to create a new. Okay, it's also possible or by help of that. Okay, go over to the design again of that design. Right click on that design view and what is showing? It's showing like that. No, I am going to do in different technique. Yeah, again yeah. Awal registration number nishon mein tha. Yes, awal registration number nishon mein tha. Both enemy name. So we are going to drag and drop this thing because I need this thing. Not here. Control Z because this is a reported voice showing. Field registration number, picture. Okay, delete all. Everything I am going to delete. Here, what I need in detail. Come to the page header detail. I need here a registration number, drag and drop, full name, drag and drop, department, drag and drop, and date of joining, again drag and drop or not, date of joining, drag and drop, also this one, and field more I want to add. Here, contract type, yes or no. Okay, contract type also. Signature I have not inserted. Here, picture. Here, and drag this one here. And last one is signature, which is not available because in a query we have not put that. In a query we have not put that. This one done. Next one is size of the card decrease. And at the top, what do you need? Kardhan Institute of Higher Education or not? Report header. In report header, I need text or label. Here, this one done. And if you want to write student card, so write it down, something which you want. So everything is possible on this one. Here, decrease this thing also. And right now, just preview it. Our registration number 701 10 15 001. तो ना याग ना फर्निश ऑन में थे ना मैं तो हाँ So the card has been designed. Next one, if you're going to preview, Control F2. Okay, here if I'm going to go over here, preview, print preview. So in a print preview also this is going to be shown like that on one page. Here just go over, stop record, go over to the design. Anything if you want student card, so just write it here. Student card, just write it here. So that was a report which we have generated. My एक दिगर report जोड़ में एकदम here. Go over to the create. So save that. Control W, save changes. बनाओ मिची implies card by query or here implies card with entry of registration. Says if you're going to need that, so just what are we going to do? Just in a report and मैं click को okay double click को और मैं was में तो हम report जोड़ कर says. So this depends upon your choice how you're going to create a report. Right now one report I'm going to create here of a student. Here student information is there. If you want a multiple item report or single item report, so it depends upon your choice. Okay, look over here. I'm going to select a table employees. Okay, and by wizard I'm going to create report by wizard. Here, but kudam ID admission, employee ID admission. Okay. Oh no, not this one. Remove it outside. I'm going to go over to the query. Any queries there? Employees card query. Kudam जोड़ के दिया वाले wizard जोड़ में एकदम says here employees card query done. Click on registration number, full name, department, date of joining. Here contract type and picture. Okay. Next one is go next. Here Chirakam जोड़ में करें here. Do you add the grouping level? No, I don't need any grouping level. Click on next. Here ascending order tartib Chirakam में none. I don't need because inside that no ascending order is there. Here layout will be a column wise. Justify or this is while you're going to create a report, inside that it asks from you the data chirakam alignment. Okay, so I'm going to discuss that here. It will be a tabular justify. Okay, column, click on next. Here style, which style you want to give it. Okay, I want to give this one style. Next and employees card underscore query. Finish that. Or registration number person make here 701 10 15 002. Understand the picture was big, therefore. So report. Which one report we have created? This one. Employees card query 701 10 15 001. Monday. Today's date is also showing inside it or not? Down. Control W. So that was a by wizard. By wizard also you can create a report. Right now I'm going to create a report by a wizard. Go over to the create and table is there of employees. Employees table. selected. Go over to the report by wizard, and I'm going to add a fields employee ID, full name, phone number, bus. Okay, because I want a full list of all employees. My report will make a full list of full list and email addresses. Okay, email addresses of all employees and email. Click on next. Tartib Chiragamesha here. Do you want a grouping? So because right now no grouping is there, so click on next. Here ascending by Nomai Mesha by ID Mesha. By ID Mesha. Okay. Order by ID. Click on next. Here tabular form or column wise. You want a column wise showing or tabular wise showing? Tabular like table. Okay, column wise here I'm going to create both. Look over here. First of all, I'm going to use column. Here click on next. Style for that is this one. Click on next. Flow employees employees list by having phone and finish that. Okay, so if you can see here, showing or not? Next one is design. Go over to design. If you need something extra, design report. Here the thing is which I am going to see here, underscore is coming, so delete that underscore space. Okay, and if you want to add any columns, so also possible. And it report is showing quite big, so decrease the size of these all, select them. Yes, email should be bigger, therefore. Okay, and anything else, so just view it again. Report size and page size. Go over to the here, decrease size of that right now. Done, and preview it. Okay, go over to the view of that and again check it out. Normal view. So you can see the size has been decreased or not. And at the last page of this one, and today's date is showing. Okay, so that is employees. But this is what showing called column wise. If you need tabular wise, so just like list, just like attendance sheet, just like list and attendance sheet. I'm going to use tabular wise. Okay, go over and save this one or no? Save. I'm going to banamiche save shut. Here F2. I need this. No, sorry. Here Control C. I need this thing. I have just used the name. Go over create and again click on employees. Go over to the by wizard and ID, full name, phone or email, and which all column I put here. Next one is next. Here grouping is not available right now. Order by employee ID. Click on next. But you need a tabular or column? Tabular. I need a tabular. Click on next here and flow. Okay, finish. Banam ichi jod mein kara. Yeah. Tabular employees list having phone and email. Okay, so click on finish that. All so the tabular data khika na doesn't tos barabar ho makana single list judi. Here go over to the design of that. Yes, go over to the design of that. Here the full name is quite big, size of that is quite big, so just decrease the size. Phone or email, sorry, bigger phone. Okay, preview it again. So I'm going to just remove the underscore from that, or no need of writing tabular. Here employees list having phone and email. Preview it, view it right now. All the employees are showing inside it or not? Okay. So just like a table is showing, and implies all information is available inside. Clear? This was tabular or not? Previously, a column wise we have created or not? Column wise tabular report we have created. Okay, I'm going to create a table which is, save this one or not? Okay, save it. Here, there are tables student info table is there, and another one is, okay, leave it. Another database I'm going to open inside that employees database or database one. In this database, if you're going to see, I have two tables. One is a student, another one is a result. One is a student, another one is a result. They have a relationship also. In a student, if you're going to see here, this is information of student. Okay, here just like student info. Inside that, one more table I have created. Baname result. In a result, registration number of a student enter meganum says bodenemi subject kudam subjectus or marks enter meganum says student registration number subject marks, student registration number subject marks, student registration number subject marks. So like that I'm going to entry, or you can do make an entry here. Go over to the Masood and make an entry of Masood marks. Okay, subject select ko here. If you're going to create a combo list, combo dit ko subject in the nishon mega. Okay, also possible by that of that. If I'm going to write just OS here, directly if I'm going to write OS and marks 72, I'm going to enter. Okay, here computer application CA 66, and next one is introduction to computer. Shift I, caps lock, Shift I to C. Okay, I to C, and how much marks? 85, and last subject is graphic designing GD. Okay, G and D, graphic designing here 94. So this marks has been entered for one student. Marks entered or not? Control W, save changes. Right now I'm going to create a report for that. Shuma direct report jod mein kone here, so it will give you a lot of problems. Go over to the create and report, direct report here. Jawad Tamke DIT first semester morning picture. So just implies list is showing or not? Okay, and just like a student list, Control W. If I'm going to create a transcript one student and along all the subject will show. Student and all the subjects will show. So how I'm going to do that? Here, just in a query I've created that. Student with registration number, student with full registration number. This is the same technique which we have done in with employees. Okay. If you come to the design of that, says yeah, so same we have done here. So right now next one is I'm going to do what? Okay, go over design of that, nothing more, name, term, program, semester, shift, nothing more. I have done that inside it. Right now come to the transcript. In a transcript, while you're going to design that, so two tables are necessary. Where the marks is available, and another one is a student table. Okay, so right now I'm going to create this thing also. Here, go over to create query by design. Kudam table kar doram yak student odom result. Chiro ke enemy moben enemy yak relationship amas. Ka relationship na bosha. If relationship is not there, so if you're going to go over to the student table, enemy rakam nishon na meta jump. If relationship is not there, so it is not going to show the plus sign over there. Okay, where the relationships are, go over to the tools and relationships. Says relationship how we are going to create that? This was a relationship. Delete that. I'm going to delete this thing. Okay, delete it. Could not, because right now table is open. Control W. Query is open. Control W. No, I'm going to do that. Yeah. How are we going to delete our relationship? Delete this one. Yes. Permanently delete it or not? Ole, come on, relationship जोड़ में करूँ चिरकम जोड़ में here this table delete here go over to design of relationship, add table means show tables result and student. Ardish, right now relationship is how going to be created. Here student ID, here registration number or ID, this is available. Yes, this registration number is coming again and again here. Enforce, cascade update, cascade delete, created, done. Here one student can give examination of multiple subjects or not. So this is one to many relationship. One to many relationship is there. Means one student can give exam of number of subjects. In the year registration worker, for a registration number, 4 5 information. So that is one to many relationship. Okay, this relationship you want to save it, close it, done. Right now if you're going to see the table student, so this thing is showing or not? Ka relationship na bosh enemy nishon na meta. Okay, so right now come to the report, report, but before report we are going to create a query. Control W, query, and create student. Yes, click on student, click on query, and query by design kudam table add mekanum student and result. But I need what? Here registration number of the student. If you're taking the registration number for result, so in a result registration number repeat measure again and again 2 times coming. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, registration from here. Next one, name of a student, term, program, and semester. This one also show semester and shift. Okay, nothing more. And subject, what I need, subject, and last one is marks. Subject and marks. Right now I'm going to run the query. This is working or not? I'm going to run the query. Is working or not? Control W, save changes, done. And this will be what here, student underscore marks. Let's suppose, because all student will show inside it. All student here, student marks here. So 1 1 1 1 1. Operating system, computer application, introduction to computer, graphic design. Okay, this is for which student? For Jawad. Dom Kamran says Sam Masood. For query jod se dena shut. Okay, and it is showing a table. Right now, how I'm going to put this in a report? But if I'm going to report direct of this query, uchi mushkil jod mein kuna bakul shagirda enemy rakam jod mein. I need for one. So in a query you're going to do this thing. Control W. In a query you're going to do this thing. Right click on that. Design here, and I'm going to again enter registration number in a criteria. Enter registration. Control W, save changes. Student marks, double click ko all in my registration number enter mein kona bakhatir nami shogir result nishon mein tha. Okay, so 701 10 15 002. Yes, okay, I'm going to check that here. Where was that student? Oh, registration is 1 2 3. We have not designed that. Registration is 1 2 3. Okay, so go over there, design, open that. Just I'm going to put 2. Psycho tanha student 2 subject hai nishon mein tha na mein tha. Or boy nami ma report jod mein guna. Okay, I'm going to create report of this thing. So what I'm going to do, go over there, here clicking on that and go over to the here report by wizard, because we need grouping inside it. So grouping na washa sai jodna mein. Okay, if directly I'm going to do that, here this one direct report. 701. No, sorry. Registration number 2. KK, Kamran, KK, the ITs first, morning, evening, and marks. So this is not good. I don't need that name is going to be repeated. I don't need that registration number is going to be repeated. Okay, so the design is not good. Okay, so Control W, no need of that right now. What we are going to do? Clicking on that, go over to the Create Report by Wizard. Okay, what field you need in a report? I think so. All these fields. Semester, shift, subject, and marks. Click on Next. Here. This is how do you want to view your report? I need that registration number, name, term, program, subjects, marks. Payan nishan mein tha, enemy bolo nishan mein tha. Sahi series? Okay. Click on Next. Here, how you want to report? How do you want to report, by a student or by result? By student as hone mein khubas. Says click on Next. Here. Do you want to add a grouping level? You want to add any grouping which is going to be means one student by wise और इमा grouping जोड़ना में किन्हों बहुत नहीं जोड़ में किन्हों के मालूम बेशक जो group जोड़ना में किन्हों अच्छी मुश्किल जोड़ पाशा. Okay, click on Next. Here, order by nothing. I'm not going to do any order for there. Subject order is there. You need a block, strip, or outline. If I'm going to select here column wise outline here like this. Okay, outline like. Okay, finish that. Banam is student 4 or that is TRANSCRIBET transcript. Or registration number enter make no says registration number do ma enter kada. Sai go. Just like if you're going to see. Just like transcript is showing or not. Registration number, name, term, shift, morning, evening, program, DIT, subject or marks. Subject or marks. And in a down you can also today's date is showing and designed. So if you're going to see in this report, just a transcript is created or not. Okay. If I'm going to go over to the design again and putting some more fields or these things inside it, go to designing a report. In a subject, at the down of a footer, I need something here just like total marks and obtain marks. Total marks, obtain marks. Okay, so how I'm going to create that? Okay, somehow. Marks and subject marks, and I need, if a grouping is not there you cannot do that. If grouping is not there you cannot do the total. Ka grouping na washa, total na mesha. Okay, so right now total you cannot create. Combine je payan total nishta me kunam sum of marks, so that is not going to be done. Sum of marks. Okay, I'm going to save this. Control save changes. Yagdiga. If you're going to see here. This one, registration number 2. Psycho, total marks, registration number 2. I think so, no entries there. Registration number 1, 400. This report was not correctly created. Student, yeah, Jawad. Oh, Control W. Report number 2. Number 2, enter, check it out. Control W. Okay, what I'm going to do, report which I'm searching, not available. Okay, what I'm going to do in this transcript, go over again, create one more transcript. Okay, go over to the create, and which one table was that? No, the query which we have created student underscore marks. Okay, on the basis of that we have created report. Go over to the report wizard, all field I need. Click on next. Here. Order by student, okay, more information, anything is there, result, no, nothing more. Click on next. Here, if you want to do any grouping is going to be done by help of what? In grouping is going to be done by marks, subject or marks. Okay, click on next. No, that is one group has been added, so no need of adding another group. Okay, click on next. Here grouping option is also there, but I'm going to select that. If I'm going to grouping option, in the previous I've done that, subject and marks, subject and marks, both have been grouping option. Here subject normal grouping, okay, done. Click on OK, click on next. Ascending order, here this is going to be no by subject, done. Click on next. Here we need stepwise. Click on finish. Report Bonam is student 4, yes, student 4, registration number 2, enter it. So you can see that this report is straightforward showing or not. Marks is showing here. So what we are going to do, design it, design view. Here subject is showing, but marks is outside from that, so therefore marks is not showing. So the previous one, the report which I have told you, so that was the best one or not? That was the best one which we have created. So transcript and जोड़ कर दी, transcript चिरकम जोड़ हमेशा. Simply we are going to do here. Which was that? Transcript. NME. Size. Registration number 1 enter mekanam. Okay. Saigo. Here for information I need border for that. Go over to the design of this. Design view. I need this thing in a box, or this is quite big showing, so decrease the size. Come down, check it out. What is there which is going to stop this thing? No, basna lik pata hai. This is going to be finished just in 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, not more than that. Okay, something more. I need this showing in a box. Okay, I need that this is going to be shown in a box and slightly above. Okay, how are you going to create a box? If you remember, rectangle. Create a rectangle and then Control Z, semester up to this much. Okay, how I'm going to do that? This thing, go over rectangle, needed a rectangle here, and I'm going to say it's behind text or in front of text. Position, send back, slightly make it above, done. Here subject and marks, this should be also come in a rectangle, so apply one rectangle here and put behind, send back, done. Okay, close this thing and right now preview your transcript. Registration number 2, I'm going to enter that. So inside that you can see that the shade or not, and the marks you can see the shade or not. Oh, mark, a shade is showing, a background shade.